Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful wreath. Now I've never made a wreath before, so I thought I'll give this a go, and this is what I come up with. Now I wanted to give you guys a bit of inspiration because I thought it was really easy and I wanted to get you to have a go yourself. So if you want to know how I made this one, keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. Thanks for watching, hope you've enjoyed the video, hope I've given you a bit of inspiration so you can give it a go yourself. If you want to leave a like, and if you would like to subscribe to my channel, then I'll be able to show you what my next creations are going to be.